Kementerian.
Cabinet Minister and Pinthor Omkra MLA A.L. Hegg has downplayed concerns regarding major cracks in a newly constructed culvert near BDW International School in Langkirding, which prompted the Shillong Traffic Police to temporarily close the road for safety reasons. Hegg stated that engineers recently assessed the site and clarified that the culvert is still under construction, with completion expected in about 4 to 5 months. He emphasized that it is not a bridge but a culvert and directed engineers to expedite the work, noting that road movement has not been significantly affected. Hegg also mentioned that no action is necessary against the contractor given the project's ongoing status.
Already called the engineer yesterday, the whole Sunday also, they all came to the site. Already they have already rectified that one, but not yet complete. By the time, I think by the next 4 or 5 months, they are going to complete the work. That engineer and all, SDO engineer, today only I spoke to the chief engineer also to immediately give the sanction. This road is very important as is the need of the hour.